if you're looking at the instructions on how to upload your assignments, um, there's a part where you have to download your Java file and then follow those instructions. To download your Java file, a couple things. I don't want the .class file, ever. Can't do anything with it. Doesn't help me. So for your .java file, you're going to right-click, and then there's lots of things to do. One of them is download. If you're doing this on a PC, and maybe on a Mac, it just shows up down here, and then you can just drag and drop it to wherever you would attach files. In the classroom setting, I've already downloaded this a couple times, so the file name's a little funky. If you download it on a Chromebook, I think you get the option to show the file location, but it never quite takes you all the way there, so you have to look at, like, click on Show Recent, and then you'll be able to find it. So whatever you got to do to locate that file, that's how you download it. Then you can locate it and upload it to Classroom in that one spot. Hope that helps.